So here's a little thought. See this right here? This like solar powered water sprayer thing. So I don't know if this would work or not, but I just had this thought. I was thinking, since I just saw this, we just got this. I wondered, and I want to know what you guys think about this in the comments. This thing obviously is running off of solar. It has to have, it's obviously a solar powered water pump, which means obviously it has some sort of small DC motor in there somewhere. Exact voltage I'm unsure, and I'm not going to take it out because I'm sure this water isn't very clean. But I randomly had the idea. What if I bought myself one of these things, right? Solar powered, it's a water pump, but you know, obviously it's a water pump. It's got to have a motor in there. What happens if I take apart one of these? Not this one, but if I buy myself one, and I find a 3D printable siren build. Okay, like a miniature siren. You know, so I'm thinking maybe like a miniature Model 5 or STH10. And I take the motor that's in one of these, if I tear one apart on eBay or something, buy one on eBay and take it apart. And I use the solar panels, and then there's a switch. I'm thinking I can mount it outside. I can mount it anywhere in this yard. I'm not going to show everything. But I can mount it anywhere, right? And what happens? I think it would be here, actually, because I used to have the, this is where I had the Darley Model 2 back when I used to have that thing. It was right here. This unit's a lot bigger than the old unit that was here before. It was here last year, and the Darley Model 2 sat right here. This hole in the ground. But what if I were to put it near here, and then all I had to do during severe weather was like flip a switch or something, and then I can have it go off, and the solar panel keeps it charged. Just a thought. Let me know in the comments what you think about that idea. Should I do it? Should I try it, or do you think it won't work? Because if it works, if that actually is something, if it's possible, I might actually do it. Because I'm sure I can buy those things for cheap on eBay, and take the motor out of it, and then make a siren out of it, and mount that siren somewhere down in here. You know, the Darley Model 2 was over here back when we had a Goodman unit here before. Now we have this Bryant. But I was thinking a miniature siren. I can even, if it's magnetic, I can even put it on top of this right here. And no, the fan is not spinning this slowly. The camera makes this fan look like it's moving very slow. Pretty cool, actually. I'll show you this. See? You can see the blades there, but not actually moving that slow. You can tell it's a 3-bladed fan. Let me know in the comments, should I do it? Should I make a siren out of one of those little water sprayers, the motor? Take the DC motor out of it, strip it of its internals, and then make a siren. Should I do it? It'll be probably Model 5, Model 2, or STH10. I'm gonna leave the Cyclones and P10s to the other guy who lives in this area. But yeah, let me know.